Didn't I tell you, do not leave me, for I am your only friend. I am the spring of life. Even if you live in anger for thousands of years, you will come back to me, for I am your goal and your end. Didn't I tell you not to be seduced by this colorful world, for I am the ultimate painter? Didn't I tell you, you are a fish, do not go to dry land, for I am the deep sea? Didn't I tell you not to fall in a net like birds, for I am your wings and the power of light? Didn't I tell you not to let them change your mind and turn you to ice, for I am your fire and your warmth? Didn't I tell you they will corrupt you and make you forget that I am the spring of all virtues? Didn't I tell you not to question my actions, for everything falls into order? I am the creator. Didn't I tell you your heart can guide you home, because it knows that I am your master? نگفتمت مرا آنجا که آشنات منم، در این سراب فنا چشمه حیات منم. وگر به خشم روی 100,000 سال ز من، به عاقبت به من آیی که منتهات منم. نگفتمت که به نقش جهان مشو راضی، که نقش بند سراپرده رضات منم. نگفتمت که منم بحر و تو یکی ماهی، مرو به خشک که دریای با صفات منم. نگفتمت که تو را ره زنند و سرد کنند، که آتش و تبش و گرمی هوات منم. نگفتمت که صفتهای زشت در تو نهند، که گم کنی که سرچشمه صفات منم. نگفتمت که مگو کار بنده از چه جهت نظام گیرد، خالق بی جهات منم. اگر چراغ دلی دان که راه خانه کجاست، وگر خدا صفتی دان که کدخدات منم.